Hey, 20 minutes late, but hello. I literally just booted. Oh shit! What's happening with my headset? Hold up. I be stepping on it too much and shit. What the hell? Is there hair stuck in here or something? Hold on. There is. No wonder. God damn. Um. There you go. I think it's I think it's fine now. But hold on. I literally just booted up this VM. I need to open back up. Oh shit. There you go. God, did you pull everything yet, Lego? I'm doing a if y'all couldn't tell, I'm doing another stream, another dev stream again by the title. I really hope that nobody comes in chat and tries to get me to play their game again or something. One sec, let me boot the mix. You know what? Fair enough. I just realized the music is overpowering me. There you go. It should be a lot better now. But yeah. Well, Lego's booting Linux. Let me just I mean, I really could just chill here, honestly. And what was I gonna do? Right. My head. Okay, well my headset just turned off. And now it's gonna turn back on. It's my headset's just an AirPods AirPods Pro not Pro Max, just a Max. AirPods Max. That's what it's called. Yeah. Yeah, we just what? We just came off a stream. Me and Lego were playing, or literally just playing what? We were playing Team Rumble today, right? It's apparently today, or I guess tonight is like the like until like 2 hours from now. It's like the last time we can play Team Rumble, and so we did. I mean, it's not like that good to be fair, but it's the last. It's but you know gotta respect it. It's like the last. It's like the last like technically it's like the last Fortnite LTM to ever exist, and now it's just gonna be gone. It's just gonna be gone. I'm just gonna be fair. It wasn't like that interesting of a mode, but like last Fortnite LTM. I just said that, but well, it's really a shame. No more Fortnite LTMs after this. It was so peak. It was so fire. What do you mean? It sucked. Yeah. I mean, it didn't suck. It was good. Honestly, it was good for like challenges, but like there have been better concepts out there, like Reload. I mean, to be honest, Reload's a really nice addition. I just really wish that I mean, this game sucked. Fortnite in general, it was it was good on the at the time, not anymore. Yeah. Team Rumble, yeah. The game mode. I thought you just talk about Fortnite in general. That I was about to say like like why are you even playing in it at that point? God damn. I'm just glad that that works. Let me see. I have to Yeah, I hate Fortnite. I never played it almost daily. Yeah, truly. Oh wait, no, that's the camera. I'm stupid. Hold on. Did I forget to say hi earlier? I mean, I did say hi, but like not like a very formal hi. So hi everyone. I I I literally just hopped into this, so forgive me. God damn. What's a 2D two? Hold on. I did have something here. Become character generic. Yeah, I had like generic stuff. Generic stuff isn't are not are not very good, honestly. God damn. Let's see. Right. So I had to have a um. What was it gonna? Right. This need a Rubicon Dancer controller. Unfortunately, this can't just I have to have a Rubicon Dance character controller 2D specifically with this. Oh shit. So let's see. So my shit itches. I was thinking. Yeah, I hope you think. Okay. My bad. Should I be streaming Discord too? I like completely forgot. God damn. How hard would it be to make the GD script stuff is like optional? What do you mean by that? Like sincerely. May elaborate? Yeah, go ahead and elaborate, please. um. Oh shit! I accidentally click back onto the thing. There you go. I could just hold on. I gotta get my old my slightly older setup back. May join a YT music thing first though. That's fair enough. I've just been listening by myself. Oh yeah, never mind. It's oh wait, no, I'm looking in voice chat. Never mind. Let me copy the host ID. I'll paste it to you in a VG chat. There you go. Oh, you got it. Don't worry. Great. Good to know. God damn. Oh, accidentally clicked into Moonlight again. God damn it. Silly me. Thank you though. Yeah, of course. All right, now elaborate, please. What? Oh, I put a 9, of course. I'm thinking. Rubicon character controller 2D, which doesn't necessarily inherit Node 2D at all. It's just for flipping animations. What you mean is oops. What if all the GD stuff we actually want to do in GD script on or most of it is maybe a C sharp, but like it's overwritable. It already is. It already is. Hold on. I don't know why that's blanked out. Oh yeah, but I do it on there instead of GD script. But like, what do you mean? Like respectfully. The stuff we plan on doing on GD script. What stuff were we planning on doing on GD script? I'm genuinely kind of confused. Just sort of. Forgot what specifically, but we were what? Excuse me. We want some stuff done in GD script. Yes, we did. We did. I thought what? What I was gonna, what honestly, what I was about to say is that we could, I was gonna ask if we should do flip animate. If we should just build in the flip animations thing inside of C++, or if that should be a part of like the exclusively the Rubicon FNF project, the flip animations type shit. Yeah, it did ask me that. I think that was one example of what you mean. Because I did include hold on. I need to clone the did I ever clone that the Rubicon FNF thing? Yes, I did. All right, great. I will I will I will open that instead of my ass. I should probably stop using my ass as a my ass going through every PC of yours. It's important, man. You don't understand. Oh, great. Okay, so Rubicon FNF get submodule in it, and then update. Should work. There you go. Yep, nice. Let's just re-enable that. There you go. So, it's still for. Okay, hold on. There you go. Good enough. Let me push that first. Submodule contains. Ah, right. God damn it. Alright, whatever. What's a moonlight? Oh, hey. Welcome in, Jofi. Moonlight, it's okay. The stream can't see it, but it's essentially like a virtual desktop. So see right here, like my what I have here is like a virtual machine running inside my computer. So basically I have Windows running inside of Windows, basically. Like you see that on the Discord stream. And I'm going through Moonlight to access that PC inside my PC, if that makes any sense. Because my PC's powerful enough to do that, which I think is pretty nice. But yeah, but why running a VM for coding? It's not for coding, it's for streaming. Like, streaming specifically my desktop, because, what? I'm afraid that, like, there might be, like, other projects or personal shit that I have inside here that I don't want to show. Yeah, no leaking. No leaking projects, no leaking of my personal info, anything like that. So, yeah. That's why I have it, through a VM. So, that's what I'm using Moonlight for. Obviously, not the best. It is not good for rhythm games at all. But like specifically for like coding this sort of stuff, yes, I can do the actual like running portion on my PC probably. I mean, I could try to work something out at least. We did try finding any other solution, but it was not enough. Yeah. Or I need RC edit too. I forget that sometimes. What? So rename. Let me focus on this. Alright, that's one commit. And let's add-ons, update, sprite, importer, submodule. There you go. And let's push that. Let me put it back on the stream. How does top component from remounting at every URL change? What do you mean by that? Respectfully. Also, welcome into chat, by the way. I appreciate you coming in here to just check things out, I guess. But let's see. Become environment, default answers animations. Yep. Scripts, Rubicon. Environment, I suppose. Actually, this could go in environment too now I think about it. There you go. What the hell? Hold up. What's this all about? Hold up. What happened here? Contains modified content? What's modified about it? Ah, right. I guess so? Check VC chat, don't read it out loud. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Let's see. There you go, and so that's gonna be move. No, scripts, move, current objects folder. No. Rename current objects folder to in quotes environment. There you go. That's one. Rubicon character controller. Um, 2D, I guess. There you go. Class name Rubicon character controller 2D. Oops. 2D extends Rubicon character controller. Hopefully this runs right. You get a export thing in here. Animation. Wait. So why did I have a Rubicon character 2D again? Right. That's for that. Right, it was literally just for left facing, right. You know what? I think this is enough for it for me to this is enough to make it to make a Rubicon character controller 2D a C++ thing. Hold on. CPP. Guess so. Yeah. Just because the whole reason Rubicon character 2D exists is because it's a no 2D and also there's a left facing thing. Oops. Maybe? Is that a valid reason? More uses? I mean, fair enough. Because as of right now, there's not really any need for this, for left facing for Rubicon character 2D. I got it. So I can make a Rubicon character 2D, but in here I'll name it Okay, well, let's see. What? How about F and F, character controller? No, Funkin character controller. How about that? Funkin character controller 2D. Class name Funkin character controller 2D. Why wouldn't you want to flip non-FNF character though? I don't know. Felt fair, yeah. I can't really find a use for it, but just keep in mind that this is technically not an FNF engine, so maybe not anything FNF specific. Even though we're probably gonna keep using this type of thing anyway. If we're being like real honest, so yeah. Um. So let's see. Let's have a. Right. So it's an internal thing. So maybe not an export. Just a left facing. Bool equals false. Oops. Sorry about that. This looks better, but does it actually register like that? Let me see. Funkin'. Yep. Yeah, okay, it does. Great. That looks a lot better. Goddamn. With GG like Rubicon. I know. I'm pretty sure we established that a lot earlier, but yeah. That's true. Fair, yeah. I forgot if so. It was like that. Let's see. I wonder if that guy's still in chat. Fucking Dog for Omen. No, they're not. Of course they aren't. um, Specialized Rubicon character controller. (2D) characters. Just flips left and right animations. They just came asking a random ass question. Yeah, that's unfortunate, but I guess just how it is. Oh shit, I forgot how to do documentation. God damn it. Let's see. Oh, that's my that's sunshine. That's what I be using, I suppose. Does it work like that? Yes, it works like that. Great. Hell yeah. Um. So for this, because here, the GD script sync comes after the internal sync. I'm wondering if I should, okay. Let me establish this. Should the GD script sync function come after the base behavior, or should it go before? What do you think? Because right, I have to change the direction, right? So probably after, since. Alright, so I'm gonna have to do some hacky type shit. But it'll be alright. Sing, direct, yep. You could probably overwrite and use super something, wouldn't you? Because this is not really overwriting. There's just a virtual there's just like a virtual class that comes after what comes after the base sing function. Like if you see right here. Whereas though I need to change this. I need to change that. I guess. Hmm. Actually, I can work something out. Hold on. Um. Sorry, I was watching Twitch stream and realized it's paused. I was so confused. Fair enough. I mean, I'm still streaming to Discord if you want to work through that. But let's see. Is there an index that's holding? That's did I protect that? God damn it! Fuck! If I protected that, um, yeah, I know. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna have to unprotect that, I guess. You like Honton Boogie? Yeah, sure. Hell yeah. Let's see. Get. Let's do what? Type dictionary. Get, indexes. Get directions holding. There you go. Hell yeah. Actually, hold on. Yeah, I guess it's best. If I, I'm not sure. I'll just do that for now. I want to change indexes holding directions holding because that just makes no sense. I'm gonna be honest. Indexes to directions. Excuse me. There you go. Anime, base anim. Right, alright, great. And then, let's see. Get freezing, so it should be after that. I'm gonna have to recompile this, but it's alright. Character controller. There you go. Heck yeah. And this probably I probably want this to be const too. Be fair. Return. Directions holding. There you go. Hell yeah. So save that for now. IP config. I don't want that. Can I? It's cons. Hell yeah. D3012 is yes, it's so funny. Like not even true. Is it, I forget. I think I copied that off the compiling Godot thing. Was it like that? D3 Yeah, it was literally just D3D12 equals yes. Not even true or false. I didn't even question that till now, but that's like that's a good point to make. It's just yes. That's crazy. Uninitialized override dancing. Oh shit. If override dancing. Oh god damn it! I did something wrong. Hold on. Hashtag sigh. Hold on. God. I messed up. Somewhere. And override dance. What am I doing? Special. There you go. Alright. Let's rebuild that again. God. Is final slip-ups happen? Yeah. They do be. There you go. Now let's launch it. Hi, alright. Now, if I can do, base animation, string is... What? Are you serious? Hold on. No way. Oh my god, I swear to god. Why isn't saying Hold on. Rubicon. No, Rubicon. Character controller. Let me check this. There you go. Alright, hold on. I did not make a... pass. I didn't make a, I didn't make a sing anime. God damn it. On me. Set sing animations. Actually, that could go under here. Set animation. Sing animations. That actually could be a const. Blah 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 blah. I guess I was missing something. There you go. And packed string array. Oh, don't forget to do a little bit of that. Get... What should I gun on? It's been a bit. Something related to core. I don't remember, to be honest. God damn. Animation, sing animations. Right. And then yeah, there you go. Animation, sing animations. Where's this located? Somewhere right here. Yes, there you go. Recon. Oh, right, this isn't a const variable, my bad. Wait, no, this is set, I'm stupid. There you go. I just gotta remember that. Set animation scene. Why? What? P-value. Animation sing animations. Why is it not valid? Huh? Oh, because it wasn't no, because it's not supposed to be const. I'm stupid. There you go. That should be good. Yep. Hell yeah. Animation sing animations equals p value. Hell yeah. And then for this, Gotta return it to... get animation, say animations, const, and just return a little bit of that. There you go. Heck yeah. D method, set animation. No, not miss, just sing animations. Also value. Oh, wait, that's right, I completely forgot to tweet out that I was, true, yeah. Twitch TV, and then myself. There you go. We're on character controller, and then get that set shit in there. Bind method. There you go, something like that. God damn. Was this a patch string array? Almost forgot. There you go. Animation, sing, animations. Something like that. And then, gotta set the... animations, there you go. Alright, now, if all is done well, then that should compile. Should. And if it does, I'm gonna go on lazy get. There you go. Environment. Add sing animations and what? What did I do? Damn, I forget. Huh? Let me see. There's no hot reload in Godot? There is. Thing is, I'm doing C++, I'm doing C++ code, so I'm directly modifying the source code, not just the script inside Godot, but like the actual like engine executable itself. So damn, yeah, but it's alright though. Gotta do you just gotta do this first before we do any actual game development on this. But let's see. I completely forgot what I did. What I did something. I completely forgot. Am I stupid? Oh right. Accessible publicly. There you go. Commit. modules. Engine, submodule. Heck yeah. There you go. Push. I'm hoping that, yep, that's it. Hell yeah. Don't launch this shit again. Let me check something. God damn. Alright, now that I did that, I could finally do what I was meaning to do in the first place, which is I mean, hopefully, which is let's see, Am I stupid? I forgot. Hold up. Where is it located? Rubicon character controller, blah blah blah. There you go. Get directions holding. There you go. Hashtag sigh. Hold on. There you go. I hope I didn't misspell anything. Update. Accessible. There you go. Heck yeah. Alright, now, if I did everything right, because I'm not a big dum-dum. It should compile just fine. Maybe. There you go. Hell yeah. And now, let's, open this up again. Lego, did you find something to work on yet? Genuinely forget, sometimes. Not really? What's the last thing you did? Meta. Song meta. Right? Really just gotta browse inside. You're assigned to Rubicon Core. So I guess don't forget that. Okay, let's... Sing animations. Right. Alright, that looks proper. Pretty proper. Proper. You're gonna do what? I was gonna do a tab bar thing, but it's not really that essential. I'd rather do something more important. I mean that is important, honestly. If we're gonna honest, but if you wanna work on the whole rule set thing, that Go ahead. I mean, it's just an editor thing. Yeah, I understand. Ease of use. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Been sitting here for like probably like, what else when chorus needed? I literally have no idea. Let me check. Wrong file explorer. There you go. Excuse me. My goodness. Let me check. Alright, these are all just, stuff. Pretty much just note types and, no, not note types, API stuff and UI stuff, I'm guessing. Like, rule set UI stuff. That's pretty much about it, though. Rule sets. Rule sets and API stuff, essentially. That's pretty much all there is. Data is mostly like enums and stuff like that, which I think you could just create on the fly. So honestly, gotta figure out how to go with rule sets this time. Playfield will definitely be static. Uh, like static as in like you could like probably not inheritable, and or not supposed to be inheritable. It'll be dependent on a bar line instead. Bar. It starts with bar line, and the score tracker associated with that bar line, I guess. So, your best bet is to probably. What do I mean? I mean, you know how we had a playfield for every single role set? Let's just not do that. Let's not make a separate playfield. Playfield, just a separate bar line class and whatever is associated with it. So, I suggest maybe you start with a just bar line and whatever comes with bar line first. Okay, great. Awesome, awesome. Let me go back to OBS now. Check the chat, which there is nothing. Fair enough. Is there a... hold up. Godot string... Let's see. We call it case insensitive. Alright, let me test it out real fast. So... let's call this, oops. My bad. Test scene. Alright. Let's get a ready function up in here. What do I want to do? Print. Seeing left. Replace n. Right, how about that? Let's see. Sing right. Okay. Right. Sing right. Okay, right. I want to replace oh, you know what? Fuck it. Uh, hmm. Um. Honestly, I could just do this the easy way. Hold on. Oh, easier for me anyway. Import var. Swappable directions. Dictionary. Let's just make that a string. By default, that's gonna be let me see. GD script. Dictionary. Blah blah blah. Right, that's how it's done. Good to know. Good to know. Ugh. There you go. Oh, are you serious? Hold on. There. That's how it's meant to be done. My bad. Let's say, left, right. And then, right, left. And swaps the swaps a string. Swaps a string direction with the with corresponding if. Let's see. How to do documentation. How do I do documentation? Please teach me. Documentation. Blah blah blah. Writing documentation. Right. Oh, that's for actual documentation. GDScript documentation. GDScript reference. Right. Documentation comments. Yes. Here we go. Annotation. It's not annotation. Member. Right. Member. If member is true. Now let's check, oh, it's right here. Oh my god! Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. God damn. And then now, if... think can, cause, okay, got it. If face animation... base animation has no contains right contains fuck alright, I got it. For key direction and top of directions keys. If base animation contains if not this, then contains direction, then continue. Oops, I forgot a colon. Sorry about that. Actually, loop variable name for after 4. What do you mean? Does that work? Oh my god. Alright, Direction name, how about that? Alright, and now, oops. Replace, direction name with, swappable directions. Break. There you go. And let's sing once again. Oh fuck, but it's gonna. Ugh! Nah. Quite a tough situation I'm in. Sing internal. Ugh. Real toughie. I've got it. For overriding these sorts of things, I should just make a, Oh my god, Teto. Oh my god, Camellia. I'm gonna guess that's a fire emoji, right? Yep, of course it is. Alright, I'm gonna make these separate. Then, say internal. And then, play special animation internal. There you go. Heck yeah. Holy shit! That was that one Earthbound piano. Yeah. Or not piano, maybe something else, but something like that. You ever think about how Toby Fox really fucking influenced, Kabilia? Perhaps, baby? Just a theory. Yeah? Is internally holding. Internal. Have these same thingamajigs. There you go. Hell yeah. Hold up. A tiny bit. My music, my UIT music has almost as much delay as the stream. Damn, that's fucked up. Honestly. P miss. P custom prefix. Blah blah blah. There you go. Seems fair enough. Oh. Who's this by? Oh, it's Miori. Guess playfield should just be a part of Rubicon Core now? Perhaps. I could just copy this entire thing. Play special animation, internal. Hell yeah. Excuse me. The whole node usage thing should it make the whole node usage thing should make it easier for me on projects like Ho. Yeah. Oh, I see. That's what's wrong with that. There you go. Hell yeah. And if internal hold enabled, hold internal. There you go. There you go. Now let's have the internal stuff in here. Should adding a playfield to a scene be a thing? Should it? I feel like I plan to it to be created on runtime, but like, you know, how would that even work? Cause the playfield does generate like pretty much everything. So, like, what should? Like gameplay outside of Rubicon game. We have to, we have to make it so that that applies to like everything. Because what? I'm not saying no. It's just it's more like we had to revamp a lot of stuff because currently a lot of stuff is created on runtime. Deco jump scare, I know. So like, what kind of stuff? Uh, well, playfield for one. I mean, okay, that's meant to be, but like, I mean, I guess you wouldn't be adding bar lines or stuff at in the editor, but you could just add playtime as a thing, and then you could have like a playtime dot start or something like that. Yeah. Though you we would have to have something have like a function in Rubicon game to bind that play field to that Rubicon thingamajig. So it's not a beginner. It's not something a beginner would do. Yeah. Could you repeat that? Sorry, the song was too loud. I forgot what I said. Legitimately, if damn yeah, if I did remember, I would say it, but I don't. I'll try to remember as we go through though. Let's make that hold internal. Bring back OBS. Hold internal. There you go. Hell yeah. Those are the internal things. Alright, And we gotta do something from... for Rubicon Dancer as well. Dance internal. There you go. Hell yeah. There you go. For dance internal. There you go. Class DB, bind method, D method, dance internal. Actually, I could just copy this. Ba 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 ba. There you go. Ba 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 ba. There you go. Let me see. It can be around runtime, by the way. Just making sure it can be a child system scene. Yeah. I getcha. Let's see. And then, the initializer. GScript class initializer. Is that a thing? The track has a constructor. You can override init. I see, yes. Right, got it. Then on lazy git, I will go in here. Oops, environment. Set internal. Separate internal functions. There you go. Push. And here. Modules. Update Rubicon engine sub module. Init, and then set sing internal sing to false. Oops. Missions. Find. Other direction. No. Fixed direction? I don't know. Swapped direction. There you go. Oh. Right. And internal swapped direction. Holding. Miss custom prefix. Custom suffix. Heck yeah. Let me see something. Right. That sounds good. Hell yeah. Alright. That's that for that. And then for, let me check OBS. Nothing yet. Fair enough. Con character 2D. Right. Close others. And then close all. And then we should have a recon character 2D. Let's establish this right at the bat. If and def. Oops, sorry about that. Been a while since I made a header. There you go. Rubicon character 2D H. And define is the same shit. And if, there you go. And just in case, let's include core object class DB. So I can make a recon. Oops, almost forgot. We had to make a include scene 2D. Yeah, inherit no 2D. Right. Alright, great. Alright. Public. It was like that, right? Yeah, alright, good. E class. Blah 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 blah, something like this. And public. What was in Rubicon character data again? I forget. Bro, it's probably something I put on here. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Sprite. Okay, so first we gotta make a reference to public node 2D sprite. And then scene animation player? Question mark? That exists, right? Yep, that does. Fuck, I have to make camera point reference. Let's see, why did I do that? Can. Stretch? Yeah. I do be doing that. Was there any reason I separate them into this, or was it just like overcomplicating things? Alright, this is scripts. Songs. No, that's songs. Source, Rubicon. Um. Reference. Tootie. What's that about? Right. Okay. Custom zoom. Did I want a custom? Did I want a custom zoom? Should we have a custom zoom? Maybe. I'll make one. Should be simple. Rubicon. Camera point. Reference. 2D. For each camera point? Yeah, sure. Yeah. That's what it was for. I forget sometimes. Why was it called reference? Why wasn't it just called Rubicon camera point? What was this all about? And why did it inherit Rubicon camera point? Oh, because of has custom zoom. I'm just gonna be real. I don't. Let me see. Discord messages. Of course, there should be a way to disable zooming for camera points, though. Yeah. So I had to use custom zoom, type of thing. I don't get why this has to be a reference or anything. Yeah, there's not really much of a reason for this to be a reference at all. Just make the Rubicon camera point. It's gonna make things more confusing. Let's include a Rubicon camera point. Oops, sorry about that. No. We should include a core object class DB. Right. Core. Oh, it should be, what? Scene? 2D. Marker 2D. Class, Rubicon camera point. We should make custom icons for these too. But that's for another time. Excuse me. Goodness. True? Yeah. Oh shit, I almost forgot. Did I do this for this one? Yes, I did. Alright. Almost forgetting. and if it's gonna be a Rubicon camera point 2D H. There you go. Heck yeah. I did want a custom icon. He'd have to work with Inkscape though. I don't know if he does that. Fair enough. You could go ask them. Vector. Could I just do vector 2? Just like that. Vector 2, custom zoom equals false. Oh shit, my bad. Custom zoom equals vector 2. Can I just do like vector 2, vector 2 0 0. Is that valid? Please tell me that's valid. Hell yeah, it is. Nice. Use custom zoom. False. I think that's it, I think. It's just a marker, so, protected. Static void. Bind methods. Oh, right, I had to make the properties too. Void set use custom zoom relatively quiet value that's also gonna be const. I have this lingering sensation in like my upper throat that I feel like I'm gonna get like allergies pretty soon. You ever feel that? Just you know, that sore sensation. Yeah, I get you. Yeah, it's like hope not though. True. I just have this one feeling. I'm just gonna get incredibly ill of allergies. Can't tell you why, but you know, just hope it doesn't happen. Right, is there a set get position, set position? Okay, better question. Camera. You know, when I hear that, when I hear Q in that key specifically, I always think it's Gigi Moodian, but this time it was Suisei. Alright, so it is a address. Should I just use point to like the fucking... Okay, hold on. There you go. Satisfactory. It's like the gambling, you gotta which cover it is, or if it's the original, yeah. I've never actually heard this one before, so... Why did I write 3D? What the fuck? No, oops. Oh, I'm fucking up, there, yeah. CPP. Let's include, Rubicon camera point to the... Hell yeah. There you go. It's probably like the most simplest class I've had to make so far. God damn. Literally no logic, it's just a reference. Or something like that. Alright, how it be in this bitch on Earth? Yeah. Oops. My bad. I don't know why that happens. Not custom, just bind method. Set use custom zoom. And value. Yeah. Oops, did not mean to put that in all caps. My bad. There you go. Hell yeah. Use custom zoom. Actually, it doesn't need a D method. Just needs to assist. There you go. Value. No, not value. Just let's see. There you go. Get use custom zoom. Blah 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 blah. There you go. And let's get properties up in here. No, just add property, right? Property info. Then, what's this? A variant. A bool? And then custom zoom. I don't need more property hints other than that. There you go. That should be it. And for this... Oh, this is use custom zoom. Whoopsie daisies. This can be, vector 2. There you go. And what was here? Camera point. I was looking for character. Yeah, oh no, that's not it. There you go. Ah, alright. Animation player. Right. Holy shit, Megalovania! You always pointed out, dude. It's that goddamn like earthbound overdriven guitar, man. It's always there. My bad. I have to point it out every single time. Why is it there? For no, it's specifically that instrument. That's the thing. Let's go back full circle. Yeah. Wait, B. Rubicon camera point. Hashtag sigh. Hold up. Rubicon camera point. 2D H. Hang up. I can import this. Hell yeah. Camera point. Actually, hum. I think I'd only need a reference for the sprite, honestly. Just do that. I did want to make it node-based. Oh, that's the end of the playlist? Oh, shit. Alright. No wonder nothing was playing. Let's see. What shall I do? Sure. Good question. Yeah, I know. I always make the best questions. Wait, why do we need an animation play for? No, fuck that. Just a camera point. What I really need is a Rubicon character controller. Reference visual. Oh, God. Oh. I'm freaking it. I'm sorry. That's right. I called it reference visual. Oh. Goodness me. My bad. Alright. character controller. I wanted a, character controller here. Alright. You have a little bit of this in here. There you go. Alright, now let's include this. Rubicon character 2D.h. There you go. And you just make these equal something. If I could do that. There you go. Blah, blah. 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 There you go. Oh, oh, that's setting. Reference visual equals... Oops. Reference visual equals P visual. Holy shit, it's holofunk! Again. Character controller. And forget, warnings. Here you go. Hell yeah. There you go. Yeah, holofunk for real. Can't believe this shit. Excuse me. And let me check the child order has changed. Change controller break? No, that's not what I want to do. Did you do the same thing I didn't get? I think it was dance. Nah! Dance controller, yes. Yes. And then... character controller equals, let's make this null again. Okay, null, and then make that null, there you go. Let's do that. If... Let's see, if animation play... No! If animation player and beat syncer, then break. There you go. Camera point equals camera point and character controller, then break. Oops, not space. 4 spaces. And, oh, sorry. And not animation player. And beat syncer. There you go. So let's see. Let's call this camera point child. Oh, it's my goat. Fucking what do you call it? Fuck. What was it called? I forgot. Shoujo Ray, right? God damn. How could I ever forget? Camera point. Equals, object what? Object, no. Point equals the child, right. There you go. On me. My mind's really scatterbrained today, honestly. Don't mind me. If... Okay. Character controller equals that, the child. There you go. That's satisfactory? Nice. Alright, if camera point, then... Should camera stuff be a part of the Rubicon engine C++ code, or should it be part of the project code? That's what I'm. So the should should all the should should all the camera stuff be a part of the project, or should it be a part of the engine itself? Like because technically it's not like necessary to uh, like GDScript. Yeah, should the camera stuff be a part of like the GDScript code? I mean, camera is something that might be important. Yeah. Modified pretty regularly. Yeah, but the I think the point I'm trying to get across is go GScript. Not gonna lie. Yeah, fair enough. It's like because I'm just wondering. It's like, wait, I'm not sure if this should be built in. I'm not gonna lie. You know, so it'd also be easier for people who understand it for people to understand its behavior. Fair enough. Then I shall remove this functionality from the thing. No more custom zoom shit. No more camera point in a built-in. There you go. No more. No more. There you go. Holy shit! Dude. Oh my fucking god, a trail. Wait, look at YouTube music. Wait, look at YouTube music, dude. That's crazy. Look. That's insane for real. God damn. God. That's crazy. Dame Donnie. Is kind of fire too, I can't lie. God damn. It's tuned really well. I can't, yeah. Like, no lie. God damn. It's crazy. Why I the way that the tuner that the person who made this like tuned Teto and Miku makes it seem like it's based more on the Akiyama version than the Kiryu version. Just the way the inflections are set. I just thought it was interesting to point out. Haven't heard it? Haven't heard it, or I forgot to be honest? You forgot. You heard it like once, and that's it. Which I found interesting. Because... What? You figured you would've shown me it. I did show you it. You forgot, though. Because I feel like... Because the Kiryu version is the most popular one, but you know... I guess this person knows their Yakuza. For real? Yeah. I can try to pull it up on the player real quick. After this one. Well, that is if I can find it, obviously. Reference facial. There you go. Oops, I'm sorry about that. I forgot to Alright, yeah, let me put it on YouTube Music. Baka Mitai. There you go. Reference facial. Nah. No type. Yes. Just be a no 2D. There you go. You know this guy voices Donald Duck? Everyone has to point it out, and I will too. It's real. Yeah, let me look it up. Koichi Yamadera. Koichi. Yes, here you go. I'm on the Wikipedia at the let's see. I swear it was, yeah. Yeah. This guy's the official voice of Donald Duck, and yeah. I like how Akiyama's listed first instead of Donald Duck, which is arguably like more, I guess. Like more what? Probably more recognizable. Oh my god, he voices fucking he voices fucking Spike. That's crazy. I've never actually I mean, what was I gonna say? I never actually watched Cowboy Bebop. Unfortunately. Evangelion, me neither. Yeah. It's crazy. Methods. Oh, what the hell? That's weird. Get character controller. There you go. Hell yeah. Is that what I did for dance? Sorry, my stomach be folding in on itself. I could make a character 3D too. Hold on. Copy. Yep. 3D and make this a 3D as well. Yep. All right. Here we go. Oops, my bad. No 2D, no 2D, no blah 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 blah. Theoretically, this is all I have to do for it. Here you go. 3D, H. And H. There you go. Good enough. And then for Rubicon character 3D, boop. Oh shit, that's right. Alright, 2D to 3D. There you go. That should be good enough, yep. I remember the whole Elden Ring. We're gonna be streaming that, right? Yeah, probably. Alright, yeah. Alright, I was gonna do register types in here. And let's get all these in. Rubicon character 2D H. And camera character 3D. There you go. DD register class. And Rubicon, Is it still 2D? I swear to God. Oh my God. No, no. What? What the fuck? Okay, that's strange. Big stretch? Yeah. That is valid, right? Alright, let's see. What's wrong this time? Name followed by... What? Right, okay. And so is this not enough? Oh. My bad. There you go. How about that? That work? Yes, it does. Awesome. Alright, let's just hope this works. Oh. Well, more viewers. Except maybe not. Alright, nice. Alright. Let's relaunch that. Huh? Maybe remove the current schedule none yet thing on your Twitch bio. Oh, I completely forgot. Wow. Good job, me. I'll do that soon. You're good? Yeah. My bad. Alright, let's see. And then, blah 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 blah. This does work, right? Rubicon. Character. Let's see. What if I add a fucking character controller? Yep. Alright. At least that all works. And now time to add a fucking character 2D. Alright, and then funkin' character 2D. There you go. Hold up. God, fuck. There's a fucking, there's a spammer in chat again. They're always there, I swear to God. How do they find me? Damn, didn't let me do my job as a mod. Fucked up. I mean, it was right there, right? Not like I'm especially like too busy right now. Just being for real. Ba-ba-da-ba. Balls. Oh, hey, what's up? Welcome back. There's a... There's a spammer earlier, so I thought that was a... You know, whatever. Welcome. I'm just back on the grind. You know how it be. Oh, both of us. Lego and I. But Lego's in the Discord chat right now. Yeah. Fire? Truly. No balls? Damn. That's fucked up. Truly fucked up. God damn. Custom prefix, custom suffix. Half eating balls? What's going on? Just here to fuck around. I get it. I am too. Well, basically, anyway. Yeah. Hello. I know you're here. Hello. Just vibing. Basically just here to listen to my fucking... To my mixtape. Not even my mixtape, just a mix I have on... fucking... YouTube music. Huh? Let me see. Unrelated question, but why do games just sometimes put leading underscores in some functions? That's to indicate that it's a private function, that it's private and is not meant to be accessed by it's not meant to be accessed normally unless you really know what you're doing. Usually anyway. What she said. Yeah, that is what I said. Set val blah blah blah. Left facing is val. Yep. This character is facing left. Or not. Let me see. Fucking character. Blah 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 blah. Oh, good. It's not showing up. Great. Good, good, good. What I find interesting is that underscored characters like that aren't are not It's very interesting. It's not like a underscored properties don't show up in here in the documentation type shit. So I just thought that was interesting to point out. We'd have to make a separate documentation for Rubicon underscore FNF as well. Probably because of formatting. Yeah. Let me see. Explain the purpose of private functions like a 12-year-old. I don't get the purpose at all. Sorry. GScript and the half but basically, it can't. It's supposed to not be. It's supposed to be like completely local to the class. Like no other class or object can access that variable. Sometimes sometimes that's just needed. For because it's just not meant to be accessed by anything else but the class containing that private thing. I probably did not explain it that well that time, but I could try to explain it further if you're just completely lost by that, which is fine. You know, it'd be understandable. Like I'd be forgetting. Oh right. Let me see something. You probably won't be seeing them though, not for a while, until you try any other language. Yeah. What am I trying to large for? Right, node. Oh no, I have it right here. What am I doing? Am I stupid? Virtual. Here you go. Get configuration warnings. Get configuration. Oh, okay, I see. If get character controller is not funkin' get character controller. Assigned character controller funkin' oh shit, my bad. Funkin' character controller 2D to function properly. There you go. Hope it doesn't show up. No, that doesn't show up. Good. Good. Alright. So if I add a funkin' character controller to funkin' character 2D. Oh, that is. Let me see something. Override is a tool script? Right. So I have to make this a tool script? Alright. Hashtag sigh. Alright, let's see. Does it do it now? No, it just crashes. Great. Alright. Why is it crash? Let me check Discord. Or unless Godot adds some, which probably not. I mean, to be honest, like they did add abstract classes, so there is a possibility to make it more like code-like in a way. Yeah. That's just great. Alright, let's see. Could map FC to... Why? Why now? Alright, let's see. Oh, am I stupid? I think I might be. Alright. It's a no pointer issue. It's always a no pointer issue, I swear to God. My fault, though. Edit normally. It should be better now. Oh. Phrasing? Not good. Right, alright. Whatever. What? Oh. Huh. It did function. What the fuck? What? Why didn't I do it there? What the fuck? Hold up. What? What? Huh? What happened? The fuck? Ah. Right. Okay. Sure. Okay, so why does it crash if it doesn't have a console? What the fuck? Okay, that is super weird. That was compiling the VM, but like, by the way, it compiles pretty quickly. Oh, goddamn. Why does it do that? That's stupid. Temporarily disable. Yep. Alright. The console thing, it's kind of strange, but how prevents some stuff from crashing? What? What? The fuck? Okay, that is... How odd. Came out exporting a game in debug mode, but I do that too. That's so odd. That is super odd. Doesn't happen regularly though. It's happening regularly here. Alright, let me get rid of the tool real fast. Oh, sorry about that. I need to check something. Alright, let's check testing. Mama. It's not editor hint. Oops, sorry about that. There you go. That's so odd. Why is it so odd? That's so odd. Why do that? let me check something. Let me try to get character. That's what I'm gonna do. Just hold on. Alright, let's check. Does this crash? Yes, it does. I don't think I'm allowed to... Alright. So, I don't think I'm allowed to return a null pointer on these things. So, I'm gonna have to revamp a lot of stuff. But, let's see. Let's just, That's the problem. Okay, I guess no chucking is the worst part of this. Yeah. You cannot return null whatsoever. Like, no, you can't return a null pointer whatsoever. Register types. No, environment. Create. Let me check OBS. Just see if someone's, watching. Alright. Character 2D. And... There you go. Hell yeah. I cannot return a null pointer. Right. So, let's null check this shit. Otherwise, I'm just gonna create a new, thingy that, cast to... That's gotta work. Surely. Alright, let's just do that, I guess. Goodness me. It's pissing me off, I swear. Oh, sorry about that. Hey. Oops, sorry about that. So let's try not to do that. Let's see. Is there any part where I return a pointer at all? It must be, right? Not exactly, but like, Okay, Dancer 2D? Right, alright, so... Yeah. If that, otherwise, return, object, cast to, Rubicon dancer controller, variant. Oh, it's gonna be poo. Ah. There you go. Animation player, return that. Then, return... to return something. Dance controller. Variant. Something like that, right? What do you mean? Oh, I see. Yes. Yes, yes, I love doing this. Alright. Beat sinker. Return this. Damn, what the fuck happened to Fuka right there? Whatever. It's fine. I like this. Otherwise, just cast a variant. Here you go. Anything here? No, probably not. Alright. Let's just test if that works. Boop. Whatever that means. Is that the old YouTube? Dude, that's the old YouTube null sign. That's crazy. Yeah. That's crazy shit. Alright, let's see. Will this work? Question mark. Alright, that does. Alright. Ah, that's really stupid. Alright. Here's your null check. I'll post it. There you go. That's your null check. Congrats. God. That's how you return null. What a pain. What a pain. It's alright though. Damn? Yeah, for real. That's the null check? Yep, that's a null check. Let me check if that works on this tool script. Yeah. There you go. And then what? If I add this? Yeah, there you go. If thing. Yeah, if you do an if statement on a pointer, it'll return if that pointer is true or false. I mean, if the pointer is null, then it'll return false. If not, if the pointer isn't null, then it'll return true, which is pretty convenient, honestly. Yeah, of course, no problem. Right? Oh, that's nice. Damn, you so smart. How you be figuring this out sometimes? I just looked at references. Honestly, it's fine. Oh shit. Oops. Environment. No checks. We're all pointer references. If that even makes any sense. God. References. Yep. Trying to figure out what I want to do now. Not just. Oh yeah, that's right. I have to do camera shit. Camera shit. Shit. Oh my god, it's like the third. It's like the third bunny girl pop up. Fucking. The third bunny girl pop cover that's popped up. God damn. True, yeah. Fucking camera point 2D. Extends marker 2D. Camera fucking camera where to just gonna rely on rotation, position, and zoom. Use custom zoom. Custom zoom. That's gonna be a vector 2D. I've always wondered why it's called point 2Ds in code sometimes. I think that's just because of like old code that they just didn't want to change at the moment. Which I suppose that might be fair. Was it called a point 2D before? Hold on. I'm gonna check just to make sure. Point 2. Oh, what the fuck? Variant. Alright, variant is a thing. Variant has nothing great. Variant class, yeah. Oh, great. Camera 2D? Is that a thing? Camera 2D, yes. Let me see. That's still called Vector 2, what the fuck? I wonder where point 2D came from. Let me see. I don't think so. There might be point two. It's just called point 2. Not the Vector 2D, it's just called point 2. So. Zoom to apply when it's a type def inside vector. Yeah, it is. I don't know if it's inside vector, but it's definitely a type def. Maybe it's just easier to just type, I guess. I don't know. this. There you go. And that's it for reference, right? Yes. Hell yeah. And I could just do the same thing for, oh, not the folder. I want to duplicate the, this whole thing. 3D. Fucking camera 2D. There you go. Class name. Funkin' camera 2D. Which... I don't... what did I do for this again? Pike def... Pack string def array. I'm pretty sure it's a type def as well. Yeah, it is. My friend Smiley. True. Oops, sorry. Image controller 2D, yes. That's the UID, alright. Controller, alright. Alright. Camera controller, alright. Camera controller 2D. There you go. Smiley. Extends. Since what? Just a node? Oh, it just does that, right? Wait, I'm looking at the wrong thing. There you go. Excuse me. My goodness. Right, camera motion data. Do I have this? Should this even be a thing? Camera motion data. Okay, well, figure I should forego that entirely. No camera motion data. For now. Most likely. Jeez. So that's an inherent node. I'm wondering, should the camera be a part of the stage or the or fuck, sorry, F and F terms. Should the camera controller be a part? Should the camera be a part of the map or or the um the space? What do you think, Mr. Lego? Space probably. Um. I was just nah. But for organization, I am thinking about a functional thing too, because I was wondering if I should have a stage, if I should have a sorry F and F terms again. My bad. If I should have a camera for each map. Just wondering. I'm not talking about the controller, by the way. I'm talking about like the camera itself. God, I love the way Kobo sings. Jeez. Or just let the dev change it. We'd have have to use sub viewports for those cameras to show anything. Yeah, that's the thing. You see, I was thinking you could have like a shit. Because like how we have like multiple camera. If you have multiple cameras 2Ds, right? You can only make one the active or slash enabled one, right? That's what I was thinking for like multiple maps and stages. You know? Oops. Yeah, that's what I meant. I had to let the dev change the current one. Yeah. I'm saying we don't have to use like a sub viewports necessarily. Just talking about like just you know, just cameras in general, you know. Well, I guess it's fair. Yeah. Me thinking. I'm a thinker. Well, that's how it shall be. Holy shit. Dude. My god. True. I'm just trying to think of something right now. Damn. I'm thinking. I'm so thinking right now. BRB, no problem. Oops. You're typing something. Okay, great. Goodness me. How do I think? I'm thinking so hard. Goodness. Holy shit. It scared me a little. Oh, right. I need to add a... Get camera point, right. You have one of those. Camera point. Let's see, and get notification. Yeah. Notification what? Notification... Child change? Child order change? Yes. Camera point equals null. For I in get child count. Child node. Wait, get child? Get child I. If child is camera point, fucking camera point 2D, then excuse me, my goodness. Goes child. Hell yeah. And then if camera point, if I guess we get camera point is null, then oops. I mean, I guess I should add a warnings. Attack string array. There you go. Warnings. Append. And append this too. There you go. Sorry about this. There you go. Warnings. Wait, what? What? This node has no, I am back. Kinda just took my headset with me, so I heard you out of the way. Fair enough. Is your character like Bluetooth or something? Or not Bluetooth, but just like, wireless? Consider adding in character function camera point 2D. There you go. How about that? Jesus Christ. That'd be really scary. This code has no camera point, so cameras cannot focus on it. And get character controller is not. There you go. That feel better? Let me see. Let me re-add this. Funkin' character 2D. There you go. Now it's wireless UT. It's a fucking HyperX Cloud Stinger core. Damn. Fair enough. Let me see. Funkin' character 2D. Yep. That does work. Nice. Hell yeah. Oh my god, I'm learning. I'm learning. Look at me. Goodness me. Associate with this character. If one assigned. There you go. How about that? Oh, it's so fucking smart. Holy shit. I swear to God, I haven't heard the original in so long. Or not, it's not the original, it's just... Yeah, I've watched this anime before, but like... I haven't heard... Even then, haven't heard this specific version since the anime. Honestly. I've watched all of it in the movie that came out, like, I forgot that was a movie. Oh, no wonder. It came out this year. It's pretty good. I'll consider it then. I really mostly like this series because it's very different from the others. It goes into more deep mental stuff. That's true. I didn't fuck with that. The same thing could go for a Monogatari, but then there's also the psychological things, and then there's the huge, really weird lolly things. Haven't seen it, sadly. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Honestly, I have seen it. I think the psychological stuff in Monogatari is baller as fuck, but then there's also the fucking like really weird lolicon and or slash incest stuff that you kind of have to watch through to be able to understand everything. I watched it when I was like I think when I was in like sophomore year, I think like when I was like 15, something like that. God, either 15 or 16 is either one. It's been a long time though. Fucked up for real? Yeah, it's it's truly something. Fucking it's where Shinobu and I can't remember any other popular character. Uh, what the fuck was her name? I'm forgetting. It's Sengoku. Though not many people actually know her name. She's the fucking Shinobu's like that 1,000-year-old vampire type shit. That's where that came from. And like the Sengoku's the Renai circulation girl. I know about it. Don't worry. All right, that's fine. I don't know. Maybe there's some people here that don't know. Never know. If there is anyone here in the first place. Yeah, true. Uh, I went to the movie theater for this one. Not like it was rated, not at all, but it was cool. I didn't know that was in theaters. That's awesome. Okay, there's like so I thought I got scammed when the movie ended like an hour or less, and then a second movie. There's a second movie. There's two movies in one. What a deal! God damn. What a fucking deal. That's amazing. God damn. Who would have figured, honestly? Like they literally just opened an arc and it ended. Shit got me confused as fuck. Did the arc complete by the end of the second movie? Hold up. How do I? Sorry. My sister came up at like 4:28 in the morning, and asked if I wanted any food, and I was like, you know what, sure, why not? Fair, yeah. Can't really say anything because my sister's sleep schedule was really fucked up. Cause they just got back from a vacation, you know that, but the others don't know that. Yeah. So clean camera controller. It's so exciting. Hold up. That's some jet lag for real. I don't think I have. I forgot to turn my mic. There you go. Yeah, I could hear you. Yeah, but the others couldn't. Like really quiet. Yeah, that's the problem with this mic. It's just like that. It's so fucked up. But well, I guess what $80 gets you for a mic, or not $80, like $60. Oh, you just got it when you spend a few tries and fix it. Yeah, because and literally what happened was that it was just off technically. Yeah. If it was off, then it shouldn't be able to. It shouldn't even be able to receive any input. But it does. Kind of fucked up that way, but whatever. It's the same song. I swear to God. Off means still. My off means stupidly low volume. That's kind of fucked up. I was kind of brute forcing the mic. Yeah, I was. Oops. That should be customs. Some zoom. That should be float. Float, and that should be saddle. Deciding. You know, if we hold up. Should I just do basic camera functionality in like the fucking camera controller 2D? I figure if people are gonna do more complicated things than they would, then they'll just code their own camera. You know? You know, it's fair. Yeah. Fair enough. Yeah. This is all the camera stuff is local 2D script local after all. So. That's what I meant previously. Yeah. if you're gonna do something super complicated, like I probably might with GGB, then you probably just create your own camera. Just be for real. Camera's kind of something you would want to modify, yeah. Alright. Excuse me. Just thinking. I got it. So export group position underscore. Yeah. Export var position value, position target. Oops, my bad. Position offset equals vector 2, 0. Let me check something. So, character. One camera controller. There you go. Yeah. Perfect. Alright. What's in camera motion data? Update type. Right. Enum. Let me see something. What am I looking for? Enum, right. Update mode, how about that? Update mode. Blah 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 blah. None. Interpolation. Camera update, right. That was part of that. Camera update. CS? Camera, right. Update mode. Interpolate, no. Update mode. What's it called? Interpolate? What? Am I stupid? Interpolation. Instant. That's what it's called. Update mode. Twained. And then, position. Update mode. Cheat mode interpolation. Hell yeah. Export enum. And there will be called a non. Oops. My bad. Non-instant interpolation tweened. Oops. What the fuck? Ah, I see. Right? I see. Fair enough. I shall not export it like that then. Huh? I'm back. What happened? Literally nothing happened. We're just chilling right now. Yeah. With Gadooly. Let's see, there's an environment space too, right? Environment space. Blah 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 blah. Or just got space. I forget sometimes. No, where is it? Right. Does this exist? Oh, it's right here. Right. Like I'm supposed to know that. Oops. So it's 2.4, right. 2.4. There you go. And subgroup. Tweens. Meaning tween underscore. There you go. Position, tween. Transition. And then that'll equal tween dot transition type? Yes. Goes. Oops, sorry about that. Trans, blah 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 blah. Linear, for now. Tween ease. Is this the same song? God damn it, whatever. It's fine. The hell? Oh. Oh, because I named it wrong. Whoops. There you go. Oh, I also named it wrong. There you go. Oh my god, I'm naming so many things wrong. There you go. Ah, I see. Okay, I see. Right. That's what category does. Not that I want that right now, but, well. Export. Group. Subgroup. interpolation position lerp. There you go. Something like that. Hell yeah. Alright, and I had to just... all I had to do was just paste that 3 times. 3 whole times. But for, rotation. Oops. And now... zoom. Alright, seems fair enough. There you go. Oops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or... let me see. Why is the music just gone for me? I have no idea. Could you try oh, I'm disconnected apparently. What the hell? Alright, sorry about that. Here. It's me, for some reason. There, check out the VC chat. Alright, thank you, no problem. Right, okay, the music stopped for some reason. Okay. That's odd. I think okay. I have to, okay, I just have to, I think I have to, restart YouTube Music, entirely. Sorry about that. Alright, check, I find that is fine, yeah. There you go. Ba, ba, ba. Yes, me. Fire is more. The transition type. What are you doing on the project right now? I've not done a lot. I've been mostly brainstorming. That's fair enough. Haven't slept a bit, so I'm a bit tired too. That's fair. I was just thinking. I mean, I'm like, I'm fired up, but it's been a bit. I'll try to finish this camera controller and then wrap up maybe. That's fair. Yeah. Created. Oops. Oops. My bad. All right. Where cameras? Blah, blah, blah. Holy shit. I swear to God, this got so big. I don't know. I mean, it's a good song, but damn, why this one specifically? Gotta wonder. Not that I don't like it. It's a nice song, but what made it so big? Yeah, this was an opening, yes, to Monogatari, a Monogatari season. Yeah, I'm guessing that like Monogatari fans spammed it somewhere, and then people actually did like the song, so it just started getting really big for some reason. True, yeah, that's how shit typically goes anyway. Let me see something. Right, alright, so this should be in degrees. God, imagine having to do all this in C++. I would kill myself genuinely. I mean, like specifically for this camera class. Let's not. Yeah. There's so many goddamn properties. But like, look. Doesn't this look nice? God damn. Raylord of... It's been a really long time since I've seen you. Hi there, welcome to chat. Truly. God damn. Hey! Welcome in. I'm just chilling right now. If you can already tell. Oh my god, it's lagging. Alright, hold on, let me refocus. There you go, not lagging. Oh my god, now it's gone. Now it's back. There you go. I don't know why it does that. Kinda fucked up. But yeah, look, Lego. Look at this. It's that looks nice, right? Yeah, it does? Hell yeah. We love that type of shit. Good job, for real. Thank you. Oh, I should probably make a little thing on this. Determines the formula for updating this camera's values. Funkin' what? It's a Funkin' 2D oops. Funkin' 2D camera that controls the camera associated with it. There you go. Hell yeah. Something like that. Alright. Now. Oops. And then, let's just name this, update Rubicon engine submod. It's always this for shit with Godot Rubicon, I swear. And then for this specifically, it's, bup. What? I didn't do that yet? Hold on. Do that. Base. Project. Change project name to, Rubicon engine. Bup. Oh, sorry about that. There you go. That's one commit. Environment. Create. Character controller. 2D. There you go. It's been a while since I've seen you. I forgot where my brick, aka phone, went. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen you too. I've just been chilling here, honestly. God damn. Excuse me. But I'm glad you're here though. I hope you've been doing well for yourself, honestly. Okay, again. References, there you go. And then blah 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 blah. Environment start on. Actually, not start on, just create. Funkin' camera. 2D camera controllers. So actually, fuck it. I'll just do the whole class. Camera 2Ds exported properties and docs. There you go. Seems fair enough. Good to hear that. I'm doing one myself, kind of just chilling, playing games for a bit. Fair enough. I've been doing actual work, but I'll probably after this, I'll probably go play more games in private. To be fair, so something like that. But yeah, I think that should be it for now. Honestly, you caught me like near the end of when I was gonna end stream. So sorry about that. If that's of any bother to you. That's fine. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just I've just been chilling here on Twitch for everyone to look at me, I guess. But yeah, genuinely for everyone here that just stuck around with me and deving with Lego. Thanks sincerely for just hanging around with us. To be honest. What should I say? What? I do have to wrap up though, so yeah. Oh. Anyway, you stream FNF mods half joking. The real question is, should I? Should I? I don't. I'm sure it'd be interesting, but I don't know if it's something that I necessarily want to stream. Just because I feel like the references I'd make, I don't think I can play them. I can. No, I definitely can. It's more like get permission to be just. I'm gonna be for real. I don't think we need permission to stream. You do play them to begin with? Oh yeah. Well, I do. It's playing FNF mods is more of a thing that I do in private with like friends like y'all, especially since like any references I'd make could potentially be linked to things in FNF that aren't necessarily out yet, and I don't really want to expose. I don't really feel like exposing that, but not saying it would just ruin the joke, honestly. So I'd rather keep FNF mods in private for now, especially since the commentary I'd make with them is kind of fucked. I don't know. I'm more of like a commentary part. I'm more of like I would react to FNF mods, but it's more like a commentary thing more than maybe if people like really request them, then sure. But it's not something that I go out of my way to do. You know what I mean? I guess more like how Phantom Arcade like plays FNF mods just on a whim sometimes. You know? God. But yeah, I do. It's not necessarily have to be wrapping up, but I feel like I should, like regardless, because it's not like it's getting late. I'll probably stay in my own VC, but you know, my work here is done. I'm over. So thanks so much for staying over regardless. I've already said that, but yeah, I do have to go now. Goodbye. I'll see you all later. Lego, say bye. It's bye time? Yeah, for real. Bye, chat. Yeah, bye. Yeah, say bye, Jofi, as well. Jofi says bye. Alright. Thanks for hanging out with us, everyone. Bye-bye. I'll see you.